his name? Just a man from Blackland. He just took what he could, and he would with his hand. But he soon found out that he was much, much, much more than a man. When he found a small cave, there was a strange old man. He told Steve that he was an airborne. He must save the world from the greatest threat it has ever seen. Now you must go to slay the Enderman, to collect Ender pearls, to fulfill the plan, destined to save the world from an Ender dragon. And we'll see on this day that a legend began. Steve